My name is Dr. Vimal Deep Saxena and I welcome you on this 21 days physical fitness challenge organized by Department of Physical Education and Sports, MIT WPU. We will start today's session with Omkar and prayer. So for which everybody is requested to sit down in a posture which we discussed in earlier sessions as well. 4 postures हमने डिस्कस किए थे, सुखासन, सिद्धासन, वज्रासन एंड पद्मासन. जो भी जिसमें कंफर्टेबल हो वैसे बैठ जाए नीचे. मैं अभी सुखासन में बैठा हुआ हूँ. नॉर्मल तरीका जैसे हम पालती मार के बैठते हैं नीचे, सुखासन में बैठा हुआ हूँ. हाथों की मुद्रा वी हैव डिस्कस द अदर डे एज वेल. ध्यान मुद्रा, इंडेक्स फिंगर एंड थंब. Feet straight, your backbone straight, neck straight, close your eyes and 3 बार ओमकार करेंगे by deep breathe. So deep breathe in. प्रार्थना बोलेंगे. सभी लोग हाथ जोड़ लें अपने. ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनत्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे. ओम शांति शांति शांति. As we have discussed earlier, the importance of Prarthana and Omkar, it makes the surrounding for doing yogas and asanas. In today's session, we will be doing power pack asanas. Like in last sessions we have discussed, so earlier we have done sessions which were for your strength. So I have discussed 3 things with you guys. One is flexibility, second is strength, and third is most important, concentration. If you have these 3 things, then you can easily perform power pack asanas. So in earlier session we have done dands and baithaks to make your shoulder, your arms, your thighs, your legs strong. Now when these things are strong, then you can easily perform power pack asanas. Before performing power pack asanas, let's start with a little exercise which we call yogic jogging, because it's very much important. Never start the exercise, never start power pack yoga all of a sudden. It may harm your body. So you need to loosen your body, which we will be doing by doing yogic jogging. आप सभी को पता है yogic jogging के 12 प्रकार हैं. Let's start. The first one, people can do it faster as well. Second posture, see if your legs can touch your butt. Third position, leg up, जितना possible है उतना leg को ऊपर कीजिए. Yes, people can do it faster as well. Good. Fourth one, थोड़ा सा पैरों में distance, half squats. You can count your own and your as per your capacity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 as per your capacity. The next one is पैरों में थोड़ा अच्छा का डिस्टेंस ले लेंगे, हाथ को आगे करेंगे. Now you have to bend your right and left. So let's start first with left side, then right side, left, right. So it is working on your knees, on your thighs, and those who are young, those who have capacity, those who have practice, they can do like this as well. So bend down, down, down. So loosening up your entire lower body muscles. Next is you have to move or bend towards right and left. Same posture, कमर पे हाथ रखना है सभी को. पहले हम लेफ्ट करेंगे, सबको ऊपर देखना है. Back to normal position. So this is normal position. Now towards your right, back to normal position. Now left, normal. Now right. Okay, so these 6 exercises, initial jogging exercises, are pumping you up. So it's time to breathe oxygen as much as you can. So next one is to inhale oxygen. हाथ आगे लेकर आएंगे, थोड़ा पैरों में डिस्टेंस, and breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. This exercise is giving you ample of oxygen so that your body can be again ready to do more asanas. Next we will be doing Trikonasana. पैरों में distance रहेगा, ठीक है. Take your hands up by breathing in. Then first I am bending towards my left. So my left hand is touching my left ankle and right hand is touching my through my ear. This is the actual position. Hold if you can hold. Back to normal. Now towards right. Now my right hand will touch my right ankle and left through my ears. Back to position. Now we can do this faster as well. I am expecting people to do at least 5 when you are performing yogic jogging. It takes hardly 6 to 10 minutes in a day if you start your exercise in the morning. 6 to 10 minutes to complete all 12 steps and burn almost 50 to 100 calories. Next we will be doing Konasana. Hands up again by breathing in. Now I have to touch my right toe with my left hand. And my right hand up, and I have to look towards my right hand's finger. Back to normal position. Now same I will do to the other side. Easy, we can do it faster as well. Again let me repeat, 5 to 10 all the people can easily do. After Trikonasana, Konasana, the next is Padhastasana, especially for your backbone. So posture is पैरों में थोड़ा सा distance रहेगा. You have to take your hands up by breathing in. Hands down by breathing out. And see if you can touch your knees. By your forehead. कोशिश करनी है कि आपका forehead आपके knees को लगे without bending the knees. This will stretch your backbone, which is very much important while you are performing power pack yoga. You can do it faster as well. This will loosen up your muscles. The next is, which we have done in school and it was my favorite when I was in schools, jumping jack. 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, all the young people can do it, I guess 100 easily. And then last one is keep jumping, keep jumping. Take your hands up. This is called yogic dancing. I am sure everybody likes dancing. Relax. Now these 12 steps of yogic jogging enough to relax your muscles from head to toe. Now your body is prepared to perform power pack yoga. Before we start performing, we need to take deep breathe in so that जितनी भी थकावट है वो दूर हो जाएगी and you will be ready to do asanas. अभी मैं वज्रासन में बैठा हुआ हूँ. I will take deep breathe and breathe out twice. Now your body is prepared and ready to take more challenges in terms of doing enough asanas and pranayama. So as we discussed today, we will be doing some power pack yogas. दो आसन हम खड़े होके करेंगे आज. एक है उत्तित्व पार्श्वकोणासन. उसकी प्रिपरेशन के लिए पहले मैं वीरभद्रासन करूंगा, वॉरियर पोज 2, so that your body will be prepared to perform उत्थित पार्श्वकोणासन. आपके पैरों में डिस्टेंस पहले मैं लेफ्ट साइड करूंगा तो लेफ्ट टो बाहर की तरफ होगा and right like this. Now I have to take my hands up by breathing in and I have to bend my knee. Now when you are bending your knee, you make sure it is coming in straight line and you have to look towards your left. Hold. While you are doing this, you are getting enough pressure here, here and here, which means your body is prepared to take asanas related to this part of your body. Back to normal position. Same I will do to the right side. Now my right toe, hands up, bend, back to normal position. Now this is preparing your body to perform asanas to make your these parts strong. So I will do this Utthita Parshvkonasana. So first I will do to the left side, same posture the way we have done in the warrior 2 pose. Bend your knee, easy. Now my left hand, I am keeping my left hand here near to my knee and right hand is going up. Now you can keep it straight as well and you can have a mudra as well. Now while doing this, this entire part is stretched. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back to normal position. Same I will perform to right side. Now my right toe, bend knee, right hand and left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to position. इस आसन को आप easily 10 सेकेंड, 15 सेकेंड, 20 सेकेंड होल्ड कर सकते हो to make your lower body strong. Thighs, knees and ankle, सभी पार्ट्स इस आसन करने से आपके स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं. ठीक है, अभी हम करेंगे लेट के कुछ आसन. मैं 2 आसन परफॉर्म करूंगा एक साथ में. एक है हलासन, दूसरा है सर्वांगासन. दोनों ही आसन साथ में परफॉर्म किए जा सकते हैं. एंड दीज 2 आसन टेस्ट योर फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ऑफ योर बॉडी. तो स्लोली करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Before we proceed, let me tell you about the contraindications. All the almost power pack asanas. People, those who have had any major surgery in last 6 months or a year, should avoid or must avoid doing these asanas. Pregnant ladies must avoid doing these asanas. People have had acute bone problems and all, they should also avoid doing these asanas. And contraindications for individual asanas I will be telling you when we will be performing. So let's start first with हलासन. उसके लिए हम सीधे पीठ के बल लेट जाएंगे. पहले हम अर्ध हलासन करने की कोशिश करेंगे जिसमें हमको सिर्फ अपने पैर लिफ्ट करने हैं। नाइन्टी डिग्री पे पैरों को लेकर आना है। जिनका ये आसानी से हो जा रहा है वो लोग आसानी से हलासन कर सकते हैं। Once your leg is in this position 90 degree, now we will take it forward to do halasan. जितना हो सके स्लोली जाने की कोशिश कीजिए। Once your leg touch the ground, that's the position. Hand you can hold as well. Hold as per your capacity. Now हलासन के साथ में हम कर सकते हैं सर्वांगासन। You can see legs are stretched and the weight of your body is coming on your shoulder and your hands. Going back to position, again going to halasan, hands down and slowly going back to normal position. Now always remember, जब आप इस आसन से बाहर जाते हैं स्लोली ही जाने की कोशिश करेंगे। ये आसन थायराइड के लिए, जिनको थायराइड है उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा उपयोगी है क्योंकि इस पे आपके थायराइड मसल्स पे बहुत ज़्यादा काम होता है। As I told that pregnant ladies in their days, high BP people, they should avoid doing this asan. They should not perform this asan unless suggested by doctors or professional yogis. In this formation, next asan I will do Padvritta asan. देखने में तो आसन बहुत easy लगता है, but I am sure if you people are doing, if anyone is doing at least 5, I believe that you have a strength. The asan is easy, so it can be done one leg at a time. So first I will be performing with right leg. Lift your leg and you have to make a circle, vrit. You have to make a circle of your leg. So I am making first from right to left. It has to be a full stretch circle. Now left to right. Same I will perform with left leg, right to left, right to left, left to right, left to right. It can be performed with both legs as well. Right to left, left to right. Now Padvrittasan is indeed working your lower abdomens. आपको जिसको 6 pack चाहिए ना, I'm telling you, if you can do it 5 to start with and then later on increasing as per your capacity, you will feel your 6 packs eventually, of course, when you will be doing practice regularly. And I would like to give this challenge to all the people out here under 21 days fitness challenge. You have to perform 10 Padvrittasan with either 2 legs altogether or maybe by 1 leg, both side. And you have to upload this on hashtag MITWPO, hashtag 21 days fitness challenge, hashtag physical challenge and hashtag Patanjali Parivar Pune. And let's see how much you have learned and how much strength you have. The next asan we will be performing which is for checking your strength and concentration. So next I will be doing Bakasana, crane pose. Now Bakasana करने के लिए आपके रिस्ट, आपके फोर आर्म्स, आपके शोल्डर, यहाँ पर स्ट्रेंथ होना ज़रूरी है, जो हमने लास्ट सेशन में दंड और बैठक करके गेन की है. करने के लिए दोनों हाथों को ज़मीन पर रखना है एंड सी इफ द वेट ऑफ बॉडी इज ट्रांसफर्ड. स्लोली करने की कोशिश करना है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप करना है. यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट एंड सिट सिंपल द वे वी सिट. Your armpits and hands. Normal position I am sitting and I am trying to gain strength in my wrist first. So by doing this, slowly you start with this only earlier. At least do it 3 to 4 times, and once this is done, then try to lift your leg. So पहले एक लेग उठाएं, then so one by one you can do practice. Once a bit of practice is done, then you can perform Bakasana like this. Slowly पैर नीचे लेके जाएं and back to position. Let me repeat the initial instructions. How you can perform this आसन. पोजीशन में बैठिए, इस पोजीशन में दोनों हाथों को आगे रखिए और सिर्फ पंजों के बल आइए, सो दैट आपके रिस्ट पर प्रिपेयर होंगे आपको आसन करने के लिए. फिर एक एक पैर उठाना है एंड देन विद बोथ द लेग्स. Bakasana is very much helping you out to concentrate and strengthen your body. In the same series, we will be doing the most prominent asana, which is also known as the asana which has a capacity to deal with poison as well. It has been mentioned in yoga books. The asana called as Mayurasana, peacock pose. Mayurasana करने के लिए भी हमारी normal position. Now Bakasana में हमने हाथों को ऐसे रखा था, एंड मयूरासन में हम हाथों के फिंगर को अपने नीज की तरफ रखना है. सो यू कैन इमेजिन इफ यू आर परफॉर्मिंग दीज टू आसनास टुगेदर, योर फोर आर्म्स विल बी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. दिस इज द पोजिशन ऑफ हैंड्स. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू टेक योर लेग्स बैक. सो टू स्टार्ट विद इनिशियली डू सम प्रैक्टिस लाइक दिस. आपके पैर पीछे और हाथ ऐसे, 1 सेकेंड, 5 सेकेंड, 10 सेकेंड प्रैक्टिस ऐसे शुरू करना है. When you will do practice like this, your wrist, your forearms will gain power. Once your wrist and forearms will gain power, you will be able to perform this asana. So my first step is over like this. Okay. Second step is the position of hands. So आपके दोनों हाथ जो हैं वो आपके पेट पर आएंगे. So I am keeping my hands on my stomach, okay, and simply the second step can be, you can start with one leg. At least do for some time with one leg, so that your body get used to कि आप कितना strength अपने हाथों पे देने वाले हैं. And once these two steps are over, then you can perform this entirely. So it can be like this. Slowly दोनों पैरों को नीचे रखना है and वापस पोजीशन में आना है. Let me give you one trick as well. अगर आप ये आसन परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं तो लेग मूवमेंट और हैंड मूवमेंट इतना करने के बाद अगर इनिशियली आपके पैर ऊपर नहीं हो पा रहे हैं तो आप अपने चिन को नीचे रख के सपोर्ट ले सकते हैं लाइक दिस. एंड वंस इट इज डन, आप ऊपर कर सकते हैं। थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए, बट आई एम श्योर यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट। मयूरासन इज एन आसन which is quite helping you to your internal glands, endocrine glands which we call, and makes you feel healthy and refreshed. Starting में आप 5 सेकेंड 10 सेकेंड जैसे भी पॉसिबल हो वो शुरू कीजिए। I wanted to give this as a challenge, but I thought this will be maybe next time. But let's start with Padvritasana first. Once you gain the strength here, आप ये आसन आराम से कर पाओगे। Last I will be performing today शीर्षासन। सभी को पता है, सभी ने देखा है, बट सभी लोग बोलते हैं कि कैसे होगा ये, सर के ऊपर कैसे खड़े हो पाएंगे। बहुत इजी है, सिंपल है, थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस चाहिए एंड थोड़े से स्टेप्स टू बी फॉलोड। टू स्टार्ट विद ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव टू टेक द सपोर्ट ऑफ एनी वॉल। दीवार के किनारे खड़े होके, सहारे खड़े होके कर सकते हो, बट बिफोर दैट मेक दिस पोजिशन सो योर हैंड्स एंटेंगल्ड, kept, and your head is provided support, and like this. So at least reach to this position. On a very first day, don't try to make the शीर्षासन, it may harm, because जिन लोगों को नेक का प्रॉब्लम है, दर्द है कुछ, या फिर हाई ब्लड प्रेशर है, वो लोग इस आसन को ना परफॉर्म करें, इससे उनको इंजरी हो सकती है, राइट। सो पहले पहली पोजीशन पर जाके बैलेंस बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे एंड स्लोली स्लोली कोशिश करेंगे पैरों को पास लाने की, जितना पास ला सकते हैं। वंस दे कम यू कैन लिफ्ट देम अप। अगेन होल्ड एज पर योर कैपेसिटी, 1 2 3 4 5, जितने सेकेंड आप होल्ड कर सकते हैं। While coming down, also make sure you are coming down very slowly. Hold in this position. Sit in Vajrasana. And by breathing in, head up, you can easily perform this asana, and this is to rejuvenate, relax your entire body. पहले वॉल के सहारे कर सकते हैं, बाद में ऐसे कर सकते हैं। After performing all these asanas, as I have discussed in earlier session as well, that आसन्स आपके बॉडी का सर्कुलेशन, ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बढ़ाते हैं बॉडी में, एंड प्राणायाम उसको रिलैक्स करने में मदद करते हैं। सो अब हम प्राणायाम करेंगे। वी विल स्टार्ट विद नाड़ी शोधन और अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम, जो हम पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। हाथों का एक पोस्चर रहेगा। अभी भी मैं सुखासन में बैठा हुआ हूँ, एज पर योर कैपेसिटी आप बैठ सकते हैं, वज्रासन में भी बैठ सकते हैं जिन लोगों को कंफर्टेबल है। सो आई एम सिटिंग इन वज्रासन, taking a hands posture, Vayu Mudra. So first I breathe in through my left nostril and exhale from right nostril. Then inhale from right nostril and then exhale from left nostril. Try to do it slowly as possible, because you will feel your breath coming in and coming out, and that's where you will realize that your body is entirely getting relaxed. So breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now this is one cycle. One cycle is completed. Try to do at least 10 cycles in a day to get more oxygen, more pure oxygen into your body, and do it in the morning so you will get pure oxygen. Let me do one more time for you. So inhale from left nostril, exhale. Now inhale from right nostril, exhale. Quite an easy pranayam and quite a relaxing pranayam, and we all must perform every day at least for 10-15 cycles to feel your body relaxed. The next one I will be doing Bhramari pranayam. There is a posture for Bhramari pranayam. Your index finger on your forehead, rest all over your eyes, and your thumb जिससे आपको अपने कान प्रेस करना है, जैसे कि बाहर का कुछ भी आपको सुनाई ना दे. एंड दिस I would say this Bhramari pranayam is preparing for you for a meditation. This prepare your body, your mind for performing meditation. So posture, deep breathe in, एक भ्रमर जैसी आवाज निकालनी है. Breathe in, one more time. Keep your eyes closed. Do ध्यान, थोड़ा ध्यान करेंगे. अपने आईब्रोज के बीच में कंसंट्रेट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Slowly breathing. Slowly breathe in, slowly breathe out. Take your hands up, rub and create the energy. Provide this to your eyes and your entire body, and then slowly open your eyes. This was the entire session to start some of the power pack yogasanas, which will increase your strength, your flexibility, and of course the concentration. We will end up this session with the prarthana. So everybody fold the hands, close your eyes. Om sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid दुख भाग भवेत. ओम शांति शांति शांति. एक बार ओमकार करेंगे सभी लोग. डीप ब्रीथ इन. सभी मेरे साथ मिलके बोलेंगे, भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम. नमस्कार. डॉक्टर विमलदीप सक्सेना का सभी को प्रणाम.